MCB-2XT, the simplicity for inline strapping. Simple, economical, intuitive. Smooth product handling, inline strapping parallel to the flute. The machine automatically adjusts to the bundle. Operation via touch panel and push buttons. Machine can be operated from two sides. Adaptive format setting by first bundle detection. The machine MCB-2XT can be aligned laterally with a motorized adjusting unit by 1600 millimeters, up to 800 millimeters left and right from the machine center. The machine is equipped with a compact and sturdy sealing unit. Optionally available with two sealing units for parallel strapping. Five-sided bundle control provides perfectly squared uniform bundles. Electrically driven, frequency-controlled conveyors from top and back guarantee smooth bundle transport. Low follow-up costs by saving the pneumatics. Easy strap coil change and bayonet fastening. Strap coil cover and bayonet socket consist of one complete part. Optionally equipped with strap splicing device BSG2 to avoid production interruption at strap coil change. The strap of the new coil is automatically spliced on the strap of the coil running empty. Capacity up to 27 bundles per minute. MCB-2XT, the simplicity for inline strapping. Simple, economical, intuitive. Mosca.